Good morning, students. Today, 10th standard picture comprehension, meaning and explanation. There is difference between picture composition and picture comprehension. Picture comprehension means picture will be given, questions will be asked. You have to answer the question. So, the definition of comprehension refers to your ability to understand something or your actual understanding of something. An example of comprehension is how well you understand a difficult problem. Your dictionary definition and usage of examples will be given. There are three elements of comprehension. That is, comprehension is influenced by interaction of three elements: the reader, the text, and the activity or purpose for reading within the socio-cultural larger socio-cultural context that is shaped by the reader. The importance of comprehension is what makes us advocates ourselves and our families. Being able to read and understand through communication empowers us to make decisions in our lives. The brain is an amazing part of our body and our lives. Now, I will teach you how to write a comprehension. Students who are good at monitoring their comprehension know when they understand what they read, when they do not read. There are some elements of reading comprehension involves level of understanding, literal meaning, in inferential meaning, and evaluate meaning. This lesson will differentiate and define these three levels. The features of comprehension are decoding. Decoding is a vital step in the reading process. Fluency, vocabulary, sentence construction and cohesion, reasoning and background knowledge, working memory and attention. Now, sometimes the importance of comprehension is different. Well, without proper comprehension skill, students lack the ability to understand what they read. By understanding what we read, we pick up important information and understand scientific theories, past options, and new frontiers. The process of comprehension is construct meaning from text. Reading comprehension involves at least two people, the reader and the writer. The process of comprehending involves decoding the writer's words and then using background knowledge to construct an approximate understanding of the reader's message. Now let us see. How well you understand. Now I will give you one picture for practice. Uh, Look at the picture. There are two sitting. What they are doing? What are the children doing? The children are playing the instrument. Say whether the instrument shown in the picture in is wind or stringed. Describe the mood of the children playing instrument. The children are in happy mood. Where do you see this type of instrument being played? I see this type of instrument being played in the music classes. Look at mention any other musical instruments, piano and violin. What I told you must think and um, answer the questions. First, look at the picture, think it, and you will be able to answer it. This is very easy only. What is the name of this folk dance? You know Karagatam, but you must write the spelling without mistakes. So Karagatam is one of his folk dance. You can get a general knowledge also. Where can you see this dance performance? Frame the sentence. I can see this dance performance in festivals. What do the dancers have on their head? The dancers have karagam on their head. What is the significance of this dance? Karagam is our ancient folk dance. Mention any one of the folk dances other than this dance. Mailattam and Oilattam. Now, exercise 3. 1. Birds are there. One man holds his stands and looking at the animals and birds. Count and see. How many birds are flying in the sky? Two birds are flying in the sky. Answer it. Answer is given. You have to verify your answer. Again, look at the picture and find out. Sharpen your knowledge. Mention the animals you see in the picture. The animal is, you can say, deer or stag. Who is watching? A man is watching them. What does the man hold in his hand? The man holds a plant or a sapling. Name the bird which is seen in the river. If you look very carefully, you will be able to see the bird. A crane, a stork or heron seen in the picture. Next, look at the picture. How many types of vehicles are seen in the picture? எத்தனை வண்டிகள் உள்ளன? Two wheelers. Three types of vehicles seen in the picture. Where is the helmet head? The helmet is held on the mirror of the bike. See, nowadays they are keeping the mirror on the bike. Write any one traffic rule other than no parking. This is general knowledge. Keep left, use helmet. Very, very important. Once again, I'll keep left, use helmet. What will happen if you park the vehicle in no parking area? I will be punished by the traffic police. Do you follow traffic rules? Yes, I follow traffic rules. Next, look at the picture. Look at it very carefully. See the pond, fish tank, and then there's a house. What do you see in the picture? I see fish tank, a boy and a wall, a clock and in the picture. Would you like to have fish tank in your house? Why? Yes, because I enjoy viewing fish daily. How would you feed the fish in the fish tank? I would drop some insects and worms in the fish tank. Usually, where do you find fish? Usually, where do you find fish? Usually, we find fish in the ponds, lakes, sea, and oceans. Picture is not clear, even though you have to answer it according to the question. What would happen to your fish if you take it out in the fish tank? If we take our fish out of the tank, it will die. This is the general reason. Next one. What do you see in this picture? That means forest, trees, and then the weather, season, so many bad trees, so many things you observe the picture. What do you see in this picture? I see forest, trees without leaves and the sun in this picture. In what season do you normally see trees without leaves? I see trees without leaves during autumn season. Suggest one reason why there are only some trees with leaves in this picture. They alone bear the hot weather. Give your views on how to prevent loss of trees on our earth. By creating an awareness of afforestation, we can prevent loss of trees on our earth. If you could change the picture, what would you add of takeaway? I would add leaves to the bare trees. So you can learn moral also. Plant the trees, learn the awareness, don't cut the trees, learn the season, In this way, you can frame so many questions. Another picture. Where are the children? The children are in the garden. What living creatures do you see in the pictures? This one easily you can make out. I see butterflies and birds in the picture. Do you think this is a well maintained garden? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, it is fenced. வேலியிடப்பட்டது. No one can go inside. What are the benefits of having garden? Your garden gives us flowers and fruits. Say true or false. This is not a natural picture of garden. True. Next picture. You like a bear and then you after seeing the bear fear also. Where could have this incident take place? Usually this tiger, so many animals will be in the forest only. So this incident could have taken place in a forest. What happened to the boy on the ground? He pretends to be a dead boy so that the bear will not harm him. If the human being or anything dead means the animals won't eat. Friends left away, the boy acting like dead. What is the animal doing? The animal is checking whether the boy is alive or not. Is holding the breath. Why has the other boy climbed up the tree? To save his life from the animal, the other boy has climbed up the tree. Both are friends only. In times of danger, other boy is friend left. Same thing only. You too learn from each and every picture. Learn one moral. Suggest a suitable title for the picture. Fear of bear, and then how to protect yourself from the animals while you are in a danger. For every picture, there is a moral. Next one, classroom situation, national flag. Look at the picture. There are so many things: square, rectangle, globe. Girls are sitting because there is a uh, classroom situation. What does this picture show? This picture shows a classroom. What are the things you see on the table? I see a globe, உலகப்படம், national flag there, and the book on the table. Mention any two shapes of the things kept in the uh, square and rectangle. Shelf kept in the shelf. To which object is the teacher pointing out? The teacher is pointing out the globe. Are the girls listening to the class teacher? Yes, the girls are listening to the class teacher. So in this picture, what do you understand? What is the moral? Learn the picture, learn the moral of the story. While taking the class, you must keep silent, observe the things, what the teacher is doing. In a classroom, what are the things to be kept, how you should behave, etc. Next one, what is a bird doing? Hunter, bird, forest, trees are there. And then arrow. What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. Who aims at the bird? Hunter aims at the bird. What does he have in his hand? What does he have is changes into he has. Singular third person. Present tense comes means has. I and we should use I have, we have. So he has a bow and arrow in his hand. What is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Give a suitable title to this picture. Dove and the ant. While the hunter was aiming to shoot, the ant is picked his toe. So at once he hurt by the ant, the dove was escaped. So a friend in need is a friend indeed. Next picture. You can see the field, mountains, buckets, water, fountain, so many things. Low rainfall. Easy picture only. What do you see in this picture? I see dry field, goat, boy, and mountain. You have to write the words without any spelling mistake. How does the field in the picture appear? The field appears very dry, no water, no greenish. What are the people carrying on the heads? The people are carrying buckets with water because of famine of water. Panjam, தண்ணீருக்கு பஞ்சம். Name the source of water available to them nearby. A small pond is there, a small pond or a fountain. நீரருவி. What could be the reason for the dry field? Low rainfall could be the reason. Next, you can see a park, securities, and then a sleeping man, and then a drunkard beggar. You can take it anything. Which place do you think is depicted in this picture? It is a park. Whom do you think are the two persons amidst the bushes? They are the securities of the park. What are they looking at? They are looking at the sleeping man. What are the various objects that you see near the bench? An alarm watch, a book, bread, an umbrella, and a can. What would be the reason for the man to sleep there at night? I think he is homeless or a drunkard or a beggar. அதாவது வீடு இல்லாமல் இருக்கலாம், குடிகாரனாக இருக்கலாம், beggar. So, while read one is homework for you, do yourself and practice yourself how to write the comprehension, and then you will be able to understand how well you are in your. Thank you for listening. Now you must know the importance of the comprehension. Comprehension, it deals observe students. You can understand the topic and learn the moral, and then find out the main points. From the picture you can learn so many things. What are the so many things you can learn? I will tell you later. I will give you the composition model also. Comprehension, question answer. Comprehension means understanding the passage. So same thing you do.